Hello folks, and welcome to our channel today. Today we're going to have video number 2 of our series of Corps of Engineer parks on Table Rock Lake. And so we're going to be showing you a park that has almost all pull-through sites and almost all are waterfront sites. So go bumming with us today. We're going to show you around Mills Creek, Corps of Engineer Park on Table Rock Lake. This is the RV Hobos Roadshow.
As we approach the entrance, you'll see the gatehouse where our campers check in. The camping rates are posted here also, or you can reserve online at recreation.gov. Once we pass through, the road gently winds downhill, shaded by big oak and hickory trees. And soon the lake begins to peek through the woods on both sides. Off to the right is the day use area. Here you'll find designated swim beach with a gradual slope into the water, perfect for families on hot summer afternoons. There are shaded picnic tables, grills, and a playground close by, making it a favorite spot for day use visitors. A large group pavilion also sits in the area, available for reservations. It's often used for family reunions, church picnics, and gatherings. As we continue in the main campground loop, you'll notice how well spaced the sites are. Mill Creek has 67 campsites, and nearly all of them have electric and water hookups. There are no full hookup sites at this campground. Some are tucked away in the trees, offering privacy and shade, while others are wide open with clear views of the lake. Many of the sites sit right on the shoreline, so you can step out of your camper or tent and just be a few steps from the water. As we drive farther around the loop, the road curves out onto the peninsula. Here you really see what makes Mill Creek so special. The campground is almost completely surrounded by water. On calm days, the lake sparkles in every direction. Early mornings often bring fog lifting off the surface, while evenings treat campers to incredible sunsets across the wide White River arm of Table Rock Lake. Toward the backside of the loop are more campsites, many perched right on the bluff above the water. These are some of the most sought-after sites in the campground. I'll try to put some numbers of these campgrounds in the video here so you can see them. At night, you can sit around the fire and listen to waves lapping against the rocks just below. During the day, it's not uncommon to see herons, ducks, and even bald eagles along the shoreline, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Families with kids will appreciate the basketball and volleyball courts, along with grassy open areas where you can toss a ball, set up a hammock, or just enjoy the shade. The park is also patrolled regularly, adding to a sense of safety and peace of mind. The pavilion coming up on the left here is rentable through recreation.gov, has plenty of picnic tables, has a fireplace in there, cooking, and a basketball court right beside it. Just down the road from the pavilion, basketball court, and playground, the road leads to the boat ramp and courtesy dock. This is a busy launch site, especially for anglers heading out for bass, crappie, and catfish. On weekends, you'll see ski boats and pontoons launching here as well. With plenty of parking nearby, it's a convenient spot to get out on the water. In the campground, there are 2 restroom and shower houses, all modern and kept in good condition. And near the entrance, you'll find a dump station for RVs. Trash dumpsters are also located conveniently near the dump station. As the loop circles back toward the entrance, you'll pass a few more shaded picnic areas and a quiet campsite tucked into the woods. Before long, you're back near the gatehouse and the road climbs back on the highway. Mill Creek offers the best of both worlds. The peaceful, scenic beauty of Table Rock Lake right at your campsite, with the conveniences of Kimberling City just a short drive away. If you need groceries, fuel, or even restaurants, town is only 3 miles north. And for even more attractions, Branson is a 20-minute drive with endless shows, shops, and family entertainment. Thanks for watching. Down below in the comments section, leave us a comment and tell us what you think of our adventure today. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, tap that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for bumming around with us today. Safe travels, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.